my name is Irina Tal. I'm an assistant professor in the School of Computing with Dublin City University. Basically, my job obviously will involve teaching, but also research. I really enjoy the interaction with students in general, and knowing that I bring a little bit of contribution to their future and exciting careers. So I studied computer science. I started to learn from my university years about AI. I'm more focusing on the ethical and privacy and security aspects. Teenagers nowadays, they pretty much know about various usage of AI and AI systems. I don't think anything is shocking them anymore. Maybe their imagination goes beyond actually what AI can do. But if it's something they should know, it's how to protect their privacy in an AI and digital era that we are living in.